In 2017, Lumitec introduced PLI, Power Line Instruction Technology. PLI was designed to leverage the rapidly evolving distributed power management technologies being adopted by the world's top boat builders. While this solution was enthusiastically received among builders of high-end yachts, sport cruisers, and dayboats, other market needs remained unserved. Lumitec recognized these needs, introducing Lumitec's Poco Digital Lighting Control. Lumitec's Poco Digital Lighting Control delivers the core power and functionality of an onboard digital switching system at a fraction of the cost, time, and complexity. Lumitec's Poco Digital Lighting Control is easy to install in new or retrofit applications. Easy to set up and configure, costs 1/2 to 1/10 as much as competitive digital control systems, and provides advanced lighting control through an MFD or smart device via an elegant, intuitive software interface in a compact, completely sealed control module. Here's how it works. The Poco module is installed inline in place of up to 4 conventional on-off switches or dimmer modules. It works for virtually any brand or style of onboard lighting, and when installed with Lumitec's PLI-enabled lights, even more functionality is unleashed. Multiple virtual circuits can be connected to a single channel. This means that retrofit installers can often add additional types of lights and greatly improve onboard lighting designs without adding additional home wire runs. Once installed, lights can be controlled through onboard MFDs via a physical network connection, a wireless connection to the MFD, or directly to the module through a smartphone or tablet. Lumitec's Poco Digital Lighting Control reduces cost while enhancing the boating experience.